Hello everyone! Today I'll be walking you through the evaluation of the project #VoteWisely, Piliin ang Tama, Kinabukasan Natin Itaga. This initiative is a campaign focused on promoting informed and responsible voting among Filipino citizens, particularly the youth. Using the evaluation framework we developed in our FMA2, covering elements such as personal, accessibility, normative, identity relevant, and connected, I will critically assess how the project aligns with the principles of social mobilization and effective communication strategies. Our goal is to understand the project's strengths, uncover areas for enhancement, and reflect on its potential to make a lasting impact on electoral literacy and democratic participation. Let's get started. First, let's explore the personal aspect of the campaign. The proposal highlights personalized engagement by involving stakeholders like community leaders, educators, and youth groups in direct activities. Strategies such as workshops, focus group discussions, and community forums provide a platform for meaningful face-to-face interactions. These efforts ensure the beneficiaries feel directly connected to the campaign, fostering trust and active involvement. This personal touch is critical to making the campaign's message resonate with its audience. Next is accessibility. The campaign emphasizes transparency by ensuring that the proposed actions, such as online challenges, forums, and the use of hashtags, are easily observable and accessible to the public. Tools like infographics and videos make participation not only simple, but also highly visible, encouraging others to join. This element is vital for creating an inclusive initiative where contributions and progress are both evident and inspiring to others. Now let's talk about the normative dimension. This element focuses on integrating shared values and fostering cooperation. The campaign promotes responsible voting and civic values, such as rejecting vote buying, through partnerships with respected figures like barangay leaders and faith groups. These collaborations strengthen the campaign's credibility and create a culture of shared responsibility, aligning actions with community norms and expectations. The fourth element is identity relevant. This campaign successfully connects desired behaviors to positive identity traits. Slogans like "Para sa kanilang kinabukasan" encourage participants to see themselves as key contributors to a brighter future. By emphasizing values such as responsibility and integrity, the campaign helps individuals align their actions with their personal and societal identities, enhancing their sense of purpose. Finally, we have the connected aspect. This campaign leverages social networks effectively by involving influencers, media companies, and community organizations. Through these channels, the initiative ensures a wide reach and strong social visibility. Platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and community-driven storytelling help amplify the message, encouraging spillover effects and fostering a sense of collective action within social circles. In summary, the project #VoteWisely, Piliin ang Tama, Kinabukasan Natin Itaga demonstrates a well-rounded approach to social mobilization. The campaign's emphasis on empowering the youth, combating misinformation, and fostering democratic ideals highlight its relevance and potential for impact. While there are areas for refinement such as enhancing implementation depth and risk mitigation strategies, the proposal presents a solid foundation for driving meaningful change in voter behavior and participation. This evaluation underscores the importance of integrating clear objectives, inclusive strategies, and collaborative efforts to achieve lasting and transformative results. Thank you for watching.